How to enroll for an Osher membership. First, type in olli.ucsd.edu into your web browser. Then you will click on Membership, click on Information, scroll down. Check out our membership options, and then click Get Started on the membership you are interested in. You will now see a checkout screen. Click Check Out after verifying all membership information. Next, you will be prompted to sign in. If you have an account, enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, click Are you a new or potential student and need an account? When creating your student account, you will fill out a form. Note that you do not need to include your social security number. You can opt out by checking this box. Once you fill out the form, you will click Create Student Account. After signing in, you will be brought to a payment screen. Click Pay. Enter all credit card information and click Continue. Verify all payment information and then click Pay. You have now successfully purchased a membership. Your enrollment will appear in your My Extension account the following day, along with your receipt. If you need any additional assistance, you can email us at olli@ucsd.edu or call 858-534-7030.